All right, let's talk about a mission we should all be on. Finding those 5 hidden expenses that are probably, secretly, draining our wallets month after month.
You ever get to the end of the month, look at your bank account, and just think, where on earth did it all go? Yeah, you're not alone. It's a feeling pretty much all of us have had. So, let's get right to it. It turns out, for most of us, the big problem isn't some huge, obvious expense. Nope, it's a handful of these sneaky little hidden costs that just add up and up. These are the financial leaks we don't even notice.
And you are definitely going to want to stick around for this, because the last hidden expense we're going to talk about, it's a huge one. Fixing it could put over $1,200 back into your pocket every year. And the best part? You don't have to change a thing about your lifestyle to do it.
Okay, so let's start with those little everyday habits. You know, the ones that secretly cost us a fortune. These are the small drips that can seriously turn into a flood if we don't pay attention.
First on the list is the classic subscription trap. Just think about it for a second. All those streaming services, cool apps, monthly boxes. So many of us are paying for stuff like Netflix or Spotify, but we hardly use half of them. It's a business model that's literally banking on us forgetting we even signed up. And what's really wild is how fast this adds up. Just taking 5 minutes to check your subscriptions can instantly save you $30, maybe even $50 a month. I mean, that's a nice dinner out, just for canceling a service you totally forgot about. All right, let's move on to our second big money leak, grocery overspending. I think we're all guilty of this. Most of us go to the store without a real plan, and that leads directly to buying extra food that, well, it just ends up in the trash.
And this chart just illustrates the point perfectly. For the average family, a shocking 10 to 20% of the grocery bill is for food that gets thrown away. Think about that for a second. It's like taking a $10 bill out of your wallet and just chucking it in the bin every time you spend $100 at the store. It's crazy.
But the fix for this is so simple. It's really just a 2-step process. First, make a weekly list of what you actually need. And second, this is the hard part, you have to stick to that list when you're in the store. That's it. Simple as that.
Okay, the third hidden expense is one that banks really hope you don't notice. Those small, annoying fees. They might look tiny one by one, but believe me, they can add up to hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single year. We're talking about things like overdraft charges, those out-of-network ATM fees, and even monthly maintenance fees just for having an account open. Honestly, the easiest fix is to just switch to a no-fee account. So many online banks and credit unions offer them now.
Okay, so we've covered the small daily leaks. Now let's shift gears and go after the big ones, the places where you can unlock some really significant savings.
Which brings us to number 4, high insurance premiums. And this one applies to pretty much everything, your car insurance, your health insurance, and your home insurance. For most families, this is a massive expense.
And here's the real reason so many of us overpay. It's simple loyalty. Or maybe it's just easier not to think about it. Most of us just automatically renew our policies year after year without ever checking if there's a better deal out there.
But here's the thing, taking just 1 hour, once a year, to compare different providers can have a huge payoff. We're talking potential savings of $500 to $600 a year. That is a serious amount of money for just a little bit of online shopping.
And now for the one we promised at the beginning. The fifth and final hidden expense, the one that could be costing you the most, is simply paying full price for things. We so often forget to use these incredible tools that are literally right at our fingertips. I'm talking about cashback apps, digital coupons, and credit card reward points. They are designed to save you money on stuff you were already going to buy.
And here's the payoff. By consistently using these smart tools, you could save more than $1,200 every single year. This isn't about spending less money, it's just about spending smarter.
So, let's put this all together, shall we? We've looked at 5 things that might seem kind of small on their own, but tackling them can lead to genuinely big results for your financial health.
And this table just wraps it all up so perfectly. You've got unused subscriptions, wasted groceries, bank fees, overpaying on insurance, and always paying full price. Each one of these is a leak you can plug right now, and together, they can redirect thousands of dollars back into your savings.
So really the only question left is, which one are you going to tackle first? Just pick one, make that change today, and watch how quickly your savings can start to grow. Thanks for diving into this with me.